Hello guys, are you tired of paying for web hosting service in a domain name from other web hosting providers? Today, I'm going to show you how you can start your own profitable web hosting business from scratch. We will cover all that you need to know in order to start your own web hosting business. Okay, by the way, my name is Amokones. I'm the founder of CrowdHostGH.com. That is the CrowdHost Ghana. Okay, and also the Radar Digitals. It's all about web designing. Radar Digitals is all about web designing, and CrowdHost. We have been over the years. We have been hosting a lot of companies' websites, and I'm going to show you how you can make profit online. We're talking about passive income online as a web hosting provider company, and I'm going to show you all that you need to know. Now, let me take you to my official website, that is CrowdHostGH.com. The link is below this video. This is my official website. We have the cheapest web hosting package here. Let me click share hosting here, and you can see some of the packages here. Okay, I can change it to cities because I'm in Ghana, and so there's a cities. And if I want to change to Dallas, I can just click that and change to Dallas. Let me go back to cities. So these are some of the share hosting packages. You can go to WordPress hosting, and the WordPress hosting comes with 100 websites, 100 email accounts, 100 subdomain. That is it. To cut everything short, we are talking about unlimited packages here, and the only differences between the packages is the storage. This is 5 gig, 10 gig, and 20 gigabyte. Okay, you can, if you need a high-speed web hosting package or server to host your website, just come to CrowdHost Ghana, and we will help you with that. By the way, I'm here to talk about how to start a web hosting business. First of all, let me log in here as a user. We are not using cPanel. Okay, if you are interested to resell a cPanel, then this is not for you. Okay, let me take you to our cPanel. I will log in here as a user so that you know what I'm talking about. So in here, I will enter my email. Okay, and I will enter my password here. Okay, so I'll check this box and click login. Okay, so as you can see, this is my dashboard. That's my billing system. You can see some of the services that I've paid for on CrowdHost. When I click here, you will see all the list of services. Okay, if I want to view the this WordPress package, I have the package here. I can click here just to open it, and over here I can see my registration date, expiring date, and everything is here. My name, service, and everything, IP address, and I can just click here, log into cPanel. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, it has a black interface. If I don't like the black interface, I can change this one to, let's wait, it's still loading. Okay, so I can change this one to white if I don't like the black interface. Okay, and this is the white interface. I always want to go with the dark interface. That's what I like. And you can see I can add subdomain. I can activate the SS certificates. Everything, database. It's easy to use. Look at the interface. I can see the number of the database that I have used. That is 4 out of unlimited. Email 0 out of unlimited. Domain is 3 out of 99. And you can see everything here. Okay, I can change my PHP, and I can go down here, install WordPress. Okay, so everything that you need to know, I call this one CHost panel. That's the CrowdHost panel. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. I'm going to show you how to get a reseller package here and start making money online. And let me first take you back to, let me move this one here. Let's go back to our services here. Okay, so let me go to, that is place new order so that I can see the packages. Now when you go to the reseller hosting package, you can see that this one is thousand, it's about 1,200 Ghana cedis. Okay, so the 1,200 Ghana cedis here, and that is which include a free domain. Okay, this package comes with a free domain, and we have the good reseller package, and that is 2,000. This one you will get 20 cPanel account. Okay, and let me explain this. Domain, the cost of domain is around 200 Ghana cedis. Okay, so which means that if with this one you get a free domain, which means that you are paying for this reseller package, that you are paying only 1,000 Ghana cedis, and you will get 20 cPanel accounts. And you know what it means? If you are going to sell this one for just let's say 1.5, it can be around 200. It depends the kind of package that we set up. Now when you look at mine, this one I start the WordPress hosting start from 200, 300, 400. So you make a lot of profits here. Okay, good. So I'm not going to waste, and you can see all the resources which has been given for free. So thank you for watching. Our next video we proceed with how to buy the package and